Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you one of the setting which is in Power BI, which will really help you, to tackle this problem. So which I face today. So here I have a issue like when I click on one of my table. So if you see behind, uh, my title has been updated by itself. Okay, so same I wanted to update my measure. Same the title has to be updated on in this chart. So is there a way? So let me see one of the very very beginner way. If you don't know this setting, we can simply click net sales and all. It will go behind. Okay, so if I do little effort, I can just put this title over this chart, which is a very beginner level approach. And when I click on this, it will update this, uh, but there's the chart has been updated, but the title is not being updated. If you see in this chart, okay. So what I want when my user click here, so my title would be changed accordingly. Okay, so this is a use case. So let me click on this general settings. First you have to click on this chart, and you have to go on this format usual and click on this journal settings. Okay, here if you find there's a title option, so if I switch it off, it will go on. Okay, so here you have to go click on FX, where you can customize your header. Okay, and you have to click on key measure. In that I have all my customized measure. So my measure name is selected PNL row. So if I click it here, and if you see I when I click on this chart, I already changed my measure, but it's not changing. So what is the reason? Like see, when I click on this table menus, it's not changing at all. Okay, so the reason behind I have already selected my format. In format we have an option called edit interactions, so I have to click on this. I think in my earlier video I have already explained what is the use of edit interactions. You can go and watch it. So in that I have selected a default view. Okay, this is a default view. But when I click on this filtered view, so when I click on this measure, it will filter accordingly. Okay, on this table and as well as the title. Okay, so this is the reason. So that's how we can I hope you know the settings. Now you can change and customize your title as well. Thank you so much.